Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a question from Chrissy on our YouTube channel about why in the world is my dehumidifier running so much? It will not shut off. Stay tuned. Hi, Chrissy. I really appreciate you submitting that question on our YouTube channel in the comments down below. And basically, you got to think of a dehumidifier the same way as you think of your AC, your air conditioning unit. All right, the dehumidifier runs when the humidity gets high. Just like whenever you set your thermostat on 75 and you get a heat wave and it's hot outside, your AC is going to run more when it's 100 degrees outside than when it's 76 outside, right? So that's kind of the way the dehumidifier works. If you've set it on 55%, you could be taking on a lot of water. It could be a rainy season. You could be living in a foggy area. You may not have plastic covering all of the walls and the floor. And just keep in mind, if plastic doesn't cover everything, those areas wick more water in, so it's trying to fight. You could also have standing water in the crawl space. There's a lot of different factors that can contribute to your dehumidifier, and I think you mentioned it was running 15 hours a day. That's probably because you're in a humid environment. So I like to use the analogy of the weather person. There's an H and an L on their radar. The high follows the low. Well, as you drop the humidity in that crawl space, the outside humidity is forcing its way in very powerfully. So it could, if there's any kind of air gap or anything in the structure of the house, whether it's the crawl space door, where the sill plate meets the block wall or whatever, humidity is going to creep in, because if you got 50% inside and you've got 80% outside, it's really working hard to get in. So thanks again, Christy. That was a great question. And my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you'll like this video down below, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.